Hi! Olymp Trade is one of the most popular platforms for binary options trading. But how do we make money off of it? In this video, I'm going to show a simple and effective strategy for beginners that'll help you understand the market and make wise decisions. Stay tuned and see how you can start making money right now. Hello everyone! Today we're diving into the world of binary options where knowledge and experience go hand in hand. But what if I told you that the key to success could be hidden in just two indicators? Just imagine you're trading and each tiny decision you make is extremely important. But how do you know when you should enter a trade and when it's better to hold back for a little while? Today I'm gonna let you in an honest secret of an amazing combo of indicators that will not only make your predictions better and easier, but also give you confidence every step of the way. The link to the broker I traded is in the description. Enjoy, guys. So now let's add the indicators we will be trading today with. Go into the indicators section and add in two indicators. Right here, the first indicator is momentum. We're gonna leave the default settings here, just adding it. And the second indicator is called demarker, leaving the default settings here just as well. Now let's see how we can trade with the help of this indicator, of these indicators. Guys, listen carefully. The first indicator we're using is momentum. It consists of two lines. One line is faster and follows almost every tiny fluctuation in the chart, whereas the second line is more tendentious and slower. Our task is to pay attention to intersections of these lines. So if the blue line crosses the yellow one from bottom to top, that is an upward signal. Alternatively, if the blue line crosses the yellow one from top to bottom, that is a down signal. Pretty simple, nothing complicated. So yeah, however, we will only enter the market if we also capture a signal from the second indicator called the demarker. This indicator shows us the price movement within two levels. Basically, we've got two levels here. Yeah, as I've already said, the upper level is the overbought chart condition limit. If we see that the price has entered the overbought area, the price will probably fall soon. The second level is the oversold chart condition level. And whenever the price reaches this level, we will open a trade upwards. I hope everything's clear so far. If you ever have any questions, you can always feel free to ask me directly, text me. So yeah, our job is to recognize these two signals at the same time. If we see that the price is in the oversold area and there is an intersection on the chart, on the indicator, that is a good signal to open a trade upwards. If the price is in the overbought area and we see that there is an intersection, then we place a downward trade. Let's start trading now. I will also be giving you guys some tips throughout the process that will improve the win rate of your trades. So stay tuned and enjoy. Let's look for a first entry situation. So I see an intersection. I'm gonna wait until the end of this candle because the intersection is only considered relevant after the candle is settled. It's very important, guys. The candle has settled and I'm placing a 1 minute trade downwards. So let's see what we can note here. First of all, I can see an intersection on the momentum indicator. Here the blue line has crossed the yellow one from top to bottom. This is a downward signal. I can also see the demarker indicator indicating that the price is in the overbought condition. This is a decent confirmation factor, so the price will most likely go down now. Now let's take a look at the chart. Firstly, I can see a pullback from the local resistance level. In addition, there is a candle pattern over here with a big shadow on the top and a small body. This candle pattern is called doji, and basically this candle pattern is normally followed by the price fall. So yeah, let's wait for the results of our trade and observe how it goes. So the trade closed in a profit. That is a great result. Let's look for other situations. Want to watch me trade in real time? Subscribe to my Telegram channel where I regularly host live trading sessions and share my thoughts and strategies. You can observe and ask me your questions throughout the process. Come join right now. The link is in the description. Okay, I just saw another intersection placing a 1-minute down trade. What I can note in this situation is that, first of all, we've got an intersection on the momentum indicator. Here, the blue line crosses the yellow one from top to bottom, which is a downward signal, right? If we look at the demarker indicator, we can see that there's an intersection that occurred at the moment when the price was leaving the overbought area. So, yeah, I recommend that you also look for confirming factors in the charts too. And here in the chart, I can see a resistance level price is already bouncing off of. And also there are certain support levels below the price might be heading towards. Great, this is the second trade in a row that to close in a profit. We have captured a very strong downward motion. Let's carry on. So on the momentum indicator, I'm seeing an intersection. I'm going to wait for this candle to settle and only then will I open a trade. As for the marker indicator, I see that this intersection took place when the price left the overbought area. Now let's look for confirming factors. As a confirming factor, I can see this local support level over here that has been broken by a good full-bodied and impulsive candle in favor of these sellers. And this suggests that the price is likely to keep going higher as the sellers are clearly dominating at the market right now. Now, I can also see some support level on the downside below. The price will most likely be moving towards. So yeah, those are our confirming factors. We still have a little bit of time left before the trade closes and we're capturing a nice downward motion. I think this trade will close in a profit. Like I said, our trade closed in a profit. Let's look around for other situations. However, before we settle for the next case, let's review the order of steps required for opening a trade. So, first, you want to see an intersection on the momentum indicator. Second, you want to pay attention to whether the price is in the overbought or oversold area. Next, you need to find at least one confirming factor in the chart. And as confirming factors, you can either note levels or different candle patterns. So yeah, those are our primary 3 steps. After all this, you can safely and confidently open a trade. So I found another situation placing a trade downwards. In this case, firstly, I can see that the price is in the overbought area from where the price usually goes down naturally. Next, I'm witnessing an intersection on the momentum indicator where the blue line crosses the yellow one from top to bottom. However, there is no downward reaction after this intersection. But I see a candle with a big shadow on the top and a small body. This suggests that there is a seller in this area that will insist on pushing the price down. So let's wait for the result of our trade and see how it goes. There is still a little time left before the trade closes. I think it might fail, so I'm opening a covering trade with $6,000. So the trade is closed. And I opened the $6,000 trade. In case this trade closes in a profit, I'm gonna offset the losses from the last trade and make a little extra net profit on top of that. Now, I also want to remind you guys that you should absolutely consider all the risks in your trading strategy, because sooner or later you will stumble upon a negative trade. So you should be prepared in advance to either stop or open a covered one. So yeah, guys, follow your risk management. So to sum things up, we managed to capture some downward motion. Now we can call it a day. As you can see, I placed several trades and almost all of them closed with a safe profit. It's quite obvious that this strategy works pretty well with a competent approach. However, I have another incredible offer for you guys. If you not only want to learn, but are all actually eager to make money with binary options, then you should definitely subscribe to my Telegram channel. I share profitable signals over there that will help you significantly increase your chances of success. It's an amazing opportunity to stay up to date on the best trades and get valuable information in real time. Don't miss the chance to make your trading more efficient and profitable. You can find the link in the description below this video. And I guess that's it for today, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye. See you soon.